gotta take it off. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the Slay Glam box. This comes in, it came in like a bag like this, so I just opened it up. I hate the packaging. I've said that. I just do, because look at it. Hopefully nothing is broken in this box. So if you want to see what I got in the November 2019 Slay Glam box, then just keep on watching. All right, so this is what I took out of that bag. So let's open this up first and see if there's a card in there. And I hope nothing's broken. I know I've told her and a few other people told her about her packaging, but she does like this. She made this herself, the design, and it's light. So she says she can add more things in there for the weight, or it would cost more money to ship. So I do understand that part, but then again, you have this, things might get broken. All right, so let me cut this tape right here so we can open it up. All right, so you have that. Let's take everything out. All right, so there's that. All right, so you do get a card that tells you the prices, so that's good. So let's start out with this. This is the Bellapierre 4-piece face slay kit that it says is $55. This subscription is $24 a month. I don't think you pay for shipping. I don't remember. I'll have to let you know. But Bellapierre is very expensive. It's definitely not worth the price, in my opinion. But I do appreciate that, you get the whole set. So that's amazing. I'm not going to open this up because I'm going to be honest, I won't use this. I'll put this in a future giveaway. I have a lot of setting sprays. My favorite setting sprays are the Oakland Cosmetics. And I do have a discount code that saves you 30% off of anything in Oakland Cosmetics. So I'll leave that down below if you want to check it out. But they're my favorite setting sprays. I have a bunch of them, so I won't probably use this. The contour stick, I don't use like duos, and I did just get one in my subscription box. And the powder and sponge, I just wouldn't use this. I'd rather give it to one of you guys that could use it. But I do appreciate it's in the box, and it's valued at $55, and this box is only $24. All right, the next thing we got are 3 eyeliners. So let's see where it's at. So this is from Crown Brush, 3-piece eyeliner set, and it's $6. All right, I love these to put in my waterline. So let's see what they look like. So we have a blue, a green, and like a gold color. So let's swatch these. Okay, so these are the ones that you sharpen. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really creamy and pretty. I'll definitely use that. Definitely. I don't know the lasting power. Then we have this green one. Oh, that's pretty too. Yes, that's really pretty. I'll use that. And this one I don't know if I'll use. So I'm not going to swatch this one. I'll put this in a future giveaway, even though it does match my shirt. And it probably will look pretty. But I know I wouldn't use it. So, you know what? Maybe I will. Because I do have a lot of shirts like this. Yeah, I'm going to. I got to get out of my comfort zone. That's really pretty too. Love that. So $6 for all 3 of them. That's great. I would repurchase them if they have lasting power. All right, the next thing is, what you be? This is Strip and Diamonds Beauty. Never heard of this before. This is a lip gloss valued at $19. All right. Oh, look at that packaging. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. That's beautiful. I would definitely pay $19 just for the packaging alone. Let's see. That is the lip gloss. So there you go. So just a lip gloss. Oh my God, that's so gorgeous. All right, love that. Does it say the shade? This is in Garnet. That is the shade. All right. The next thing is, what is this? This is a liquid eyeshadow from Medusa's makeup. I've tried Medusa's makeup. This has a sticker on it. And I do like them. So it's definitely, that's an indie brand as well. She does go with a lot of indie brands, so I do like that. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's see. It's very sheer. Right here. To be honest, I wouldn't use this. This is very, very sheer. This is something like if you already have like a matte eyeshadow on and you just want to put a little bit of like satin to it, then go ahead. You would have to really build this up, but I wouldn't use this. So I don't care for this personally, but that's just a personal preference. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Oakland Cosmetics. This is the Fancy Eyeshadow Palette. So let's see what it looks like. And this is valued at $10. Oh, Jesus, I dropped it. I hope I didn't break it. Okay. All right, there we go. Let's see. Hope I didn't break it. So there we go. Now, and it has a mirror and, okay, I'm not going to swatch this. I will put this in a future giveaway. I have so many colors like this, so I don't want to swatch it because I know I won't use it. I'd rather give it to one of you guys. I don't tend to reach for these colors so much. You know, like if I wanted these colors, I would go for my Anastasia, you know, like the Modern Renaissance, the Soft Glam palette. So I'd reach for that first if I wanted these colors. So that's only because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So that's the only reason. But I think if you like neutral looks or, you know, you would love this. And so let's see. This says on the bottom here, try our new lash box. Get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for $15 a month. Okay, so, and use, okay, free USA shipping. Use code ISLAY for 10% off. All right, so I have a discount code. I'll leave down below if you want to try Slay Glambox. You get like, I think it's like $3 off. I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys. So let's go over what we got for $24 a month, and you let me know if you think it's worth it. So we have this eyeshadow palette, which I believe this is, of course, an indie brand. I love the fact that she does go with indie brands, and this is valued at $10. We have Medusa's makeup, which I know a lot of subscription boxes have been putting Medusa's makeup in lately. I would never, ever wear this. It's very sheen. You can see my skin right through it. I just wouldn't use that. But, you know, it's in the box. A liquid eyeshadow. It's valued at $13. I love the fact that you get 3 different eyeliners. I think that's great, and they're really pretty. So, let's see. And I use these for my waterline. So, I'll test them out and see if they last. And for $6 for an eyeliner set kit, I think that's worth it. We have this liquid lipstick, which this packaging is so pretty. And of course it's sheer because it's a lip gloss. So what I would do is when I wear a red lip or a berry lip, like, you know, I would put this over to get the, like, the sheen. So I'm excited to try that. I don't know if it's, you know what, let me put it over my lips now. Let's see. Because I want to make sure it's not sticky. I don't have a mirror, so. Let me get a mirror. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's see. Let me use my mirror. It's getting on my teeth. Let's see. I don't like this formula. No, I don't like it. I would never wear this again. I gotta take it off. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Let me take that off. All right. But I would definitely put this on my shelf so I could look at it because it's beautiful. Like I said, I don't like the formula, but maybe you guys will. This is $19. I wouldn't pay $19 because of the formula. But the packaging is really, really pretty. So I love that. What else did we get? Oh, and we got this that's valued at $15. I love the fact that you get this. She usually always does that, and I think that's great. Now, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is worth $24? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this subscription. So please rate this video, so either like it or dislike it. Let me know. If you don't like this subscription, then thumbs this video down. If I get a lot of thumbs down, then I won't unbox this on our channel anymore if you guys are not interested. And that's everything, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.